What's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitz back in the building again. Today I'm going to show you how to make your crispy chicken tenders. Alright? So stay tuned while I show you how to make your crispy. Alright, welcome back. So let's start seasoning our chicken tenders. So our chicken tenders has been washed and cut up already. A little bit of salt. Good. A little bit of Maggi all-purpose. Good. A little bit of black pepper. Good. A little bit of paprika. Good. Good. And then we stir it up nicely. Alright. Spicy chicken tenders. Alright. Also, we're going to add a little bit of hot pepper. And also a little bit of ground spice. Alright. So we want our thing to taste spicy and nice, you know. We're not afraid of spice. Alright. So leave to marinate for about 10 minutes. Let's look about our butter. Alright. Alright, so inside here we have 2 eggs that we whisk. Alright, we're gonna add some milk. Put that amount of milk. Add a little bit of all-purpose. And a little bit of paprika. Good to go. Over here we have the flour. We're going to add a little bit of paprika to it. Also a little bit of ground spice. A little bit of black pepper. And that's it. Right? Our perfect, crispy, hot and spicy. Here we have our pot with our oil. Our vegetable oil with about a cup of vegetable oil. We fry it in between medium heat and low heat. So let's put in our chicken tenders. Alright. Take your time and put them in nicely, yeah? My word. These chicken tenders look so good. Right? Alright. So we have all our chicken tenders here. So let's take a look at our chicken tenders so we can get them turned. Wow, look at how beautiful that is done. Look at your chicken tenders, how gorgeous and look. Alright? Looking good. So we turn them properly, you know. So after 5 minutes, this is how our chicken tenders look. Alright? So just a minute more, and then we remove all our chicken tenders. Then ready to come out, so let's check out our chicken tenders. Remove it. Look at how beautiful them look, man. Crispy chicken tenders. Fast and easy. Fast and easy. Our chicken tenders. Nothing hard. It's probably one of the simplest cooking I've done for my last 18 show. Look at it. Look at how gorgeous them look. Alright? Easy way how to prepare chicken tenders. There you have it, guys. Our crispy chicken tenders, spicy, served with our turned plantain rolls. Alright? Look at how beautiful them is. Chicken tenders, boy. Spicy and nice. Look at our turn plantain roll. Looks so good. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this. Hope you continue to watch my show, yeah? I have many more to come. I'm out.